Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix your quest could not be completed. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. Let me tell you that when you try to create the Apple ID on this website, appleid.apple.com, and it's not working and you're getting the error like this, and I'll show you how can you fix this type of error and how can you create the Apple ID on the website. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply have to close this page. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to open any browser in your phone and just simply have to search for iCloud.com. Let me tell you that you don't need to search for that website to create the Apple ID. Maybe that's why it's not working. You have to open this website to create the Apple ID. So tap on sign in, and from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to wait some seconds. You can easily see here guys, continue or use a different Apple ID. Tap on use a different Apple ID. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to scroll down, and you can easily see here guys, create Apple ID option. Tap on that. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to wait some second. Here you have to put the first name, so you can put the credentials here. Select your city, put the birthday, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to put the email address if you have. If you don't have, you can put the suggested, and here you have to put the password and confirm the password and put the phone number. When you have done for that guys, just simply have to put these numbers, and after that guys, you can easily create the Apple ID through this website without getting the error. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.